My name is Molly Papier. I'm the director of the Purdue Fort Wayne Community Arts Academy. I'm creating a video to help you register your child at least 1 week before your class starts. You will receive a link that will send you to this portal, this landing portal that's Purdue University's portal. You are going to start here and you're going to select Purdue login or non-Purdue login. If you work at Purdue, select this one. And a lot of people do work at Purdue that take these classes. But if you don't, you're going to select this bottom button. I'm going to select this one to show you how this process works because it'll be identical for you. And I have to do a double authentication really quickly. You probably won't if you're a non-Purdue family. All right, you're going to land on a new registration screen. If you look on the right side, you can see what class you're registering for. These portals do close 1 week, or rather 3 days before your class starts. So I would encourage you to register as soon as you can. You're going to be registering a child. So I'm going to select child. I already have my daughter in the system. You're going to have to add your child as you register. So I'm going to select my daughter. Next. You can see my daughter is 17 years old. Her date of birth has already been entered. You're going to be entering in your child's date of birth, their preferred name, their gender, their preferred pronouns, their grade in the fall of 2024. I'm going to select 11th. Even though this class is for kindergartners, I'm going to put her at her real grade in. You're going to then select your school, and you might need to type in your school name to have it pop up. She goes to Wayne High School. Then you're going to enter in your guardian information. Mine's already in there. Your address. You're going to select next. Then you're going to review to make sure you have your name, your date of birth, your email's correct, your relationship to the participant, I'm my daughter's mother, your gender, your pronouns, and your phone numbers. They will all be in this registration. Then you're going to click next. Then you're going to let us know if you're affiliated with Purdue. I'm going to say yes because I am. Purdue Fort Wayne. Then you're going to select your demographic, and we would really appreciate you indicating your demographic because it helps us with grant writing. Then you're going to select next. The following page are waivers, 3 waivers. The first waiver, do you agree to have your child's picture taken? You may accept or decline. The second waiver is medical treatment authorization. Please read through this and accept or decline. And actually in this one, I think you have to accept it to participate. The following is a waiver, release, and hold harmless agreement. Please read through sections 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. And you must accept that to participate. If you have questions about this, please reach out to me. Then you're going to click next. You're going to review your registration information, your participant information, guardian information, consent form information, and then you're going to submit your registration. And that is all you need to do to register your child with Purdue Fort Wayne for a class, workshop, or lessons.